Hi, it's Chef Marissa Catanzaro, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare the perfect shrimp cocktail. And now, let's go to New Smyrna Beach where you can find the freshest seafood. I'm at the local market and they have these amazingly fresh jumbo shrimp, about 15 to a pound. I'm going to clean and devein the shrimps, get them ready to be cooked. Take the shell off, then take a knife, place a slit on the top, take the intestine out, and you're done. These are all the ingredients I need to make my shrimp cocktail. White wine, parsley, onions, celery, carrots, lemon, pickling spices. I have a pot of boiling water ready on the stove, about 3 quarts. Now I'm going to put my wine, a quarter of a cup, and my vegetables, onions, carrots, celery, and my pickling spices. We're ready to go. Now I'm going to put the shrimps in. Give it a stir. And they should be ready less than 5 minutes. Okay, the shrimps are ready to go. I'm going to take them to the sink and strain them. I have a nice bath ready and put them right in there. Vegetable and all. Let them chill out for like 10 minutes. Now we could go ahead and start on our cocktail sauce. And let's take our ketchup and chili sauce, horseradish, and everything else that I need. I'm going to need about a cup of ketchup. This will give you a little extra, you know, you can use it for other stuff. And a half a cup of chili sauce. Okay, let's place it all in here. Tablespoon of teaspoon actually of horseradish, 2 teaspoons. You can make it hotter if you like and put extra. A splash of Worcestershire sauce. A splash of Tabasco. The juice of a half a lemon. We're ready to go. Hi, we're going to finish plating the shrimp cocktail right on the New Smyrna Beach. Here we go. Put some lettuce on the plate. Here's my beautiful shrimps again. And we have some lemon, some garnish, and some delicious cocktail sauce here to dip them in. Bon appetit, everyone. I'm going to eat a shrimp because they look so yummy.